You wake up, plug into the 9 to 5 loop, and burn incredible energy every single day. But despite that constant output, the gears are slipping. You are expending maximum effort with zero forward motion. When we feel stuck in this kind of stagnation, our natural reflex is to try and fix everything at once. We draft huge life plans and promise to reinvent ourselves by Monday morning. But attempting a total overhaul usually triggers task paralysis. The brain looks at that mountain of immediate, sweeping change, freezes, and defaults right back to the safety of the old routine. To break that cycle, we need to stop looking at the whole mountain and focus on 5 specific spheres of control. These are manageable domains that build outward from the mind to the structure of the day. Reclaiming agency in these micro-domains provides a solid foundation for momentum, turning your daily energy into actual progression. The first sphere is the mind. The brain often acts like this flawed data system. It naturally filters out positive events, discarding them into a void while fixating on repetitive, stressful routines. To shift this baseline, you have to manually intervene. Writing down 3 specific things you are grateful for each day intercepts those positive data points and forces the brain to acknowledge and store them. This shift yields measurable results. Consistently acknowledging positive events has been shown to lower baseline stress levels and improve overall sleep metrics. Once the internal drive is stabilized, we move to the second sphere, your immediate space. A chaotic environment acts as a constant visual reminder of unfinished work, which often breeds more psychological paralysis. The intervention is a strict 10-minute cleaning session. Looking at a whole apartment is overwhelming, but shrinking that chore into a 10-minute window, like just folding clothes or doing the dishes, manufactures a small win that helps break the paralysis. Stabilizing your memory retention and organizing your immediate surroundings creates the psychological foundation needed to tackle external challenges. The third sphere is the vessel, the physical self, and how we maintain it. Clinical psychology recognizes a psychocutaneous link, which is the physiological connection between our mental state and the health of our skin, hair, and nails. This diagram shows the feedback cycle in action. Mental distress can lead to physical manifestation markers, like inflamed skin or brittle nails. Those changes can then negatively impact your confidence, which in turn worsens your mental state. Maintenance routines, like basic skincare, act as circuit breakers in this cycle. They aren't just about appearance. They are tools used to maintain emotional resilience. The fourth sphere is the output, shifting the focus to how you expend your energy on external work and life goals. In the 1800s, economist Wilfredo Pareto noted that 80% of the land in his home country was owned by just 20% of the population, including estates like the one seen here. This observation is known as the 80-20 principle. As this chart shows, it is the pattern where 80% of your success actually stems from just 20% of the work you do. To apply this, you create a to-do list and ruthlessly cross out the bottom 80% of your tasks. This forced limitation acts as an efficiency multiplier, directing your remaining energy strictly toward the tasks that yield the most progression. Auditing your daily tasks ensures your energy isn't drained by the irrelevant 80% that keeps you in a state of stagnation. The final sphere is the timeline, the morning and evening routines that serve as the structural bookends of your day. An effective morning routine has one purpose: stimulating the body and mind to generate early momentum. Conversely, an evening routine is for de-stressing and psychological deceleration, preparing you for recovery. By controlling these start and end points, you create a consistent structure for the other 4 spheres, helping these new behaviors become automated over time. The goal is to move away from chaotic stagnation and into a structured operating system across all 5 spheres. But habit formation is difficult. Attempting to implement every one of these changes at once will likely lead to the same overwhelm we are trying to escape. Select just one sphere of control to master first. Secure it before moving to the next. Localizing your focus on these small victories provides the leverage required to steer a stagnant life back into motion.